If you're a PC builder, hitting no drives detected can totally stall your Windows install. Stay chill, follow these quick fixes, and you'll be back on track in minutes. Ready? Let's go. First, check your cables. Power down, unplug, and make sure every SATA and power connection is snug on both the drive and motherboard. For laptops or NVMe SSDs, double-check that everything's seated right. Still nothing? Dive into BIOS or UEFI. Set your storage mode to AHCI instead of RAID, or try toggling Secure Boot and CSM. For newer PCs, you might need a driver. Grab the right Intel Rapid Storage driver from your manufacturer's website, save it to your USB, and load it during setup. Still stuck? Recreate your Windows, install USB with Microsoft's Media Creation tool, just to rule out corruption. As a last resort, update your BIOS, but follow the instructions exactly. Or use diskpart in the setup command prompt to clean your drive. But remember, this erases everything. Step through these fixes and you'll crush that no drives detected error in no time.